Okay, so I'm just going to start off with a gel eyeliner. Any color doesn't really matter. I'm using a green one because I couldn't find a white one, but it's going to be covered anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and carve out this side of my face that I'm going to do regular glam makeup. And then I'm just going to get some foundation. I'm using the Fenty foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over that little section. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and get some concealer and then basically conceal underneath my eyes to brighten it up. Now I'm just going to set it with some translucent powder. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and get a face setting powder and just set all of that little area over there to keep it all nice and matte. Now time to get some toilet paper, and then I'm going to get this liquid latex from Mehron, and basically I'm just gonna get this liquid latex and place it across that green line that I carved out, and I'm gonna do like a little section at a time. And I'm just gonna get some toilet paper and just get out little strips and place it on there. And then I realized I should have cut off the edges, so I went ahead and ripped those edges off really quick. And then after that, I just started doing better strips before I put it on my face. So I'll go ahead and just repeat that and just keep putting some toilet paper. This basically is going to be the part of the black that's basically eating out my skin to turn into the Black Swan clown. Yeah. There we go. And then after that, I'm going to go and get this face paint. This is a Mehron one. It is water activated and I really like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a cup of water and a brush. And then you just mix it in. It's dry on the thing, and then it's kind of like a watercolor, but the pigment is actually really great. You just need to make sure not to put as much water. There we go. And then you see how very black it is. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paint all over my face and all over the toilet paper as well. This paint actually smells really good. This is the first time trying it. I saw it online and I was like, I need to try this. And I actually really like it. I'm excited about it. I got like a whole set of it. I got it on Amazon, by the way. I'll put it in the description box if y'all want to know. But make sure to paint in the hairline as well, because you can see some skin in there. So go ahead and paint all over that. Paint over your eyebrows, paint over the white. Paint over pretty much everything. I didn't do the middle of my lips because I don't want to get paint in my teeth. So I just left the middle regular because I'm going to put some gold over that anyway. And I went ahead and like fanned out the black so it looked a little bit more, I don't understand. Like, I don't know, but I was doing this right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint my neck. My camera would not focus with my face being black and then me having like the black background. I was getting annoyed. But basically paint your ears as well. You want everything to be black on that side. I did not want to put this paint in my ear, but it was easy to come out after like 5 scrub-a-dub-dubs. But go ahead and paint your ear, your neck, and then I'm gonna get this gold powder and then the mixing liquid, and I was getting annoyed of my camera right here, so I went ahead and took off my backdrop, so don't mind me. I'm gonna have this as my background for right now because it was not working. So yeah, anyway, go ahead and get that gold powder. So basically you just want to put it in a little lid and then put the mixing liquid in there. I just spilled it everywhere, but oh well. And then you mix it together and it makes like a gold paint, and it's very gold, so I like that a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint that on my lips, and we're gonna do like a gold lip and then curl it out to be like a clown mouth. And then after that, I'm going to get this black eyeshadow. This is a Morphe palette. And I'm going to go ahead and put that underneath my eye since I didn't want to get the paint really close to my eyeball because I was scared. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it on top so I don't crease. And then I'm going to get a black pen gel, that's what it's called, gel eyeliner, and put it in my waterline to black it out because I was not going to put that paint in my eye, anywhere near my eye. I don't know. But anyway, okay, back to the gold. So the gold, I am now going to go over my eyebrows. I'm going to have a gold eyebrow. If it ain't gold, it ain't cold. Eyebrows on fleek. Duh it. And then now I'm going to go ahead and do the little clown triangle underneath my eye, and then above my eye, and then eyebrow. And then after that, I'm going to get a liquid eyeliner. This is a felt tip one from Fenty. I'm gonna go ahead and make a really thick winged eyeliner on my other eye. And now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow, make it a little bit darker. And then some eyebrow gel to set it. Now I'm gonna get my Curly Queen lashes, and I'm going to put them actually on both eyes. Now I'm going to get some mascara on just this eye, and then I'm going to get some of that gold and then put that on my eyelashes on the other eye. And now I'm going to get some highlight to go ahead and highlight my face, be extra glam and glowy. Now I'm going to get some eyelash glue, and I'm going to put a dot at the top and then put a little jewel there and then at the bottom. And then like I didn't know if I liked it, and in the mirror I didn't like it, but now that I see it I kind of liked it, but too bad I took it off. Now time to get some stage blood. I got this Ben Nye, I think that was what it was, I don't know. Anyway, some blood, fake blood, and we're going to go ahead and put that all over the little area. I didn't do this, but now that I see the video, I would actually bring the blood all the way over the toilet paper as well, since you can see a difference of color, like it's more matte than on my skin. So just heads up, if you're going to do this, put blood from where it is all the way down over the toilet paper as well. And then after that, lastly, time to do the little clown nose. So go ahead and get the gold. Don't forget the nose, because the nose makes the clown. So go ahead and just paint a little circle on your nose, and then yeah, you good. Go ahead and clean it up with the black if you need to. And then I have this little clown collar I got on Amazon. I got a black one. I'm going to just tie it around your neck and then fluff it out. These things are really cute. That's all you need. And a little black dress, black tank top, whatever. And then there we go. Time for the backdrop switch. Yes. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like how this turned out. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video and turn my post notifications on. And thank you everybody for watching. I will see you in my next Halloween upload or whatever it is. Bye!